Good morning, dear student. In previous video, we have seen Gopal. Okay, all of you know he was very clever. He was, you can say, courtier. He has a presence of mind. That's why he accept the challenge of king. What was challenge? The challenge was, Gopal, you have to buy Hilsa fish from the market. But when you will buy, okay, Hilsa fish, no one will talking about Hilsa fish. Because what was the problem in the court of king? Everyone, okay, it was a season of Hilsa fish. That's why everyone in the court of king, okay, they were talking about the Hilsa fish. Okay, they were not following the order of king. That's why the king, he becomes so angry. Okay, he scolded to his all the courtiers, and he gave challenge, and this challenge accepted by the Gopal. So what he had done, okay, already we have seen in the previous video. Okay, he half shaved his beard, he smeared ash to his whole body, and by seeing his this type of appearance, his wife thought that my husband has gone mad. My husband has gone mad. Okay, and in this appearance, he went to market to buy Hilsa fish. So he buy Hilsa, and he started to come, okay, in the palace of king. On the way also, so many people, okay, they were seeing this type of bad appearance. Because he was looking a mad, he was looking a crazy, he was just like a joker. So, and at last he reached, okay, on the gate of palace. The guard were also, they didn't recognize to Gopal, and they thought that, okay, the crazy man, it is crazy, it is a madman. Okay, what do you want? Why you came here? What do you want? The Gopal said that I want to meet king. So the guard, okay, he went inside the palace, and he told about that Gopal. Okay, so first of all, the king gave order, throw him out of the kingdom, but at once I have to see him. Then in the court also, king, okay, didn't recognize, not only king but also no one. Everyone means all the courtiers, they didn't recognize to Gopal, he is Gopal or not, because his appearance was somewhat different. That's why, alright Gopal, with it, why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion? Then Gopal, okay, himself, he told, sir, your majesty, I am Gopal. So the king told to Gopal, why you dress up just like a ridiculous fashion? Then Gopal told, your majesty, you seem to have forgotten something. You have forgotten something. What he has forgotten? Because he has given the challenge to Gopal, and that challenge he has forgotten. Okay, forgotten something? Yes, your majesty, you have forgotten something, because strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa fish today. Because today I brought here Hilsa fish is in my hand, and no one is interested to talking about Hilsa fish. Everyone is, okay, everyone is seeing toward my this type of bad appearance, or just like a mad or crazy appearance, and no one is interested to talking about the Hilsa fish. That's why not a soul has spoken a word about the Hilsa fish. Means a single word, okay, no one is interested to see, okay, to speak a single word about the Hilsa fish. So only then did the king remember the challenge he had thrown to Gopal. Then he remembered the challenge thrown to Gopal. What was the challenge? If anyone is in our kingdoms to accept this challenge, what was the challenge? To buy Hilsa fish from the market. That time no one will talk about the Hilsa fish. So that time, okay, the king becomes so happy, and he started laughing. Gopal, congratulations. And he said to Gopal, Gopal, congratulations, you have achieved the impossible once again. You have achieved impossible once again. Because Gopal was, he was very clever, he was intelligent, he has presence of mind. Okay, see, from the market also, okay, he buy Hilsa fish. Okay, he brought that Hilsa fish, okay, in the palace also, but no one was talking about the Hilsa fish. And what was the main problem? All of you know, everyone was talking about Hilsa fish. All the fishermen, okay, they were selling their fish to door, okay, and everyone was interested, okay, about the Hilsa. So king becomes so angry and he didn't want to talk about Hilsa because all the courtiers, all the villagers, okay, they didn't follow the order of king. In this way, dear student, today's video we have finished this comic lesson, and I hope, okay, you will understood very well. So okay, you have to complete the question answers. The first page number 44, okay, first questions, okay, read the following passage carefully and answer the following questions, okay. Then second, tick the correct answer. It was the season for, what is the answer? Hilsa fish. Second, who was the half seven? Who was the half seven? Gopal. And third, who gives congratulations to Gopal in the end? Who gives congratulations? Kisne diya congratulations? The king. Okay, in this way, all these question answer, okay, you have to solve and you have to write in your notebooks. Okay, in this way, dear student, next video we will see next lesson. Okay, thank you.